Hello and welcome to another teckwrapcraft YouTube tutorial. My name is Maria Russell, and in today's video we are going to be creating some fun stickers showcasing some holographic stickers from teckwrapcraft as well as some laminate sheets. I have a few packs here that I actually ordered from teckwrap, as well as some of them were sent to me, so thank you teckwrap for the laminate sheets. So here is the holographic sticker. It is so pretty, and the laminate sheets has those little stars, and once you put the laminate sheets, then they can be waterproof and you can basically adhere them even to your water tumbler. So the first thing that I had to do was go to Cricut Design Space because this is the software that I use. And then I've already downloaded the graphics that I got from Creative Fabrica since I have a membership there, and added it to my stickers folder. And these are the stickers that we are making today. They are so much fun. I am creating some DIY projects for my daughter's Valentine package. So stay tuned for more fun videos as I will be showing you some fun projects using teckwrapcraft's materials. So here are the stickers already, and the first thing that we have to do is print the sticker. And I recently bought a new printer, and this is called Canon TSC951C or something like that. And this is a fun printer for all crafters, and I highly recommend it. And to print the sticker, I disabled the ad bleed and then open up the system dialog. In this window, you can basically change the size of your sticker paper as well as the print quality. I always use best so that I could get some great colors printed on my sticker sheet. And here is what it looks like while it's printing. This printer is perfect for the holographic sticker, and it prints out really amazing colors. So once the sticker sheet is printed out, I will need to add the laminate sheet so that this can be waterproof in case she wants to adhere the sticker to a tumbler. And I'm just kind of sizing up the laminate sheet so I can apply it inside those boxes so that my machine will be able to read those lines and cut the sticker perfectly. I'm using my paper trimmer here to cut off the excess, and then I will be applying the laminate sheet towards the sticker to make it waterproof. So I'm doing this really slowly because I've already made this project once and it kind of created some bubbles because I didn't really apply it properly. So now I'm just making sure that I'm using my scraper tool here just so I could adhere the laminate sheet correctly, because this is very sticky. So once I've adhered the laminate sheet, I will add this to my mat and then use my Cricut Maker to cut the sticker sheets. I am browsing the materials and I typed up sticker, and then I'm using the printable waterproof sticker in white because of the laminate sheet and it's a bit thick. I'm using the pressure to more and then going to add the sticker sheet to my craft mat and then use my machine to die cut the stickers. I actually did this twice to cut the stickers because the sticker is very thick and it is so sturdy. So I had to cut it twice again, and it turned out so beautifully. And for the sake of time, even though I'm showing you how my machine is cutting this is also fast forwarded a little bit because I didn't want to waste your time by watching the machine cut the stickers, but I just wanted to show that the machine did not have any issues recognizing the graphics and cutting it out, even though it has the laminate sheet on top of the holographic sticker. And here's what it looks like once they were all cut. I've printed another sheet just for kiss cuts in case she wants some extra stickers, but here's what the machine cut. and I will be packaging this up so that I can include these stickers to my daughter's Valentine package. Stay tuned for more videos as I have already filmed it, and they will be nice and cute projects to make for either your daughter or your boyfriend or your girlfriend for Valentine's Day. Here's what it looks like once they are all inside this plastic bag. And I will add this Kiss Cut sticker as well in the package, and they are all going to Sarasota. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out teckwrapcraft's materials, from sticker sheets to laminate sheets and vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. They have amazing products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you again for stopping by, and happy crafting.